Hey guys, um, my computer has a virus, so now it does turn on, but like that virus is a Trojan or Trojan worm, bunch of stuff. So let's just turn on the computer. All right. My computer is kind of old, so uh well, the guy that actually repaired the computer, because back then it did have a virus like about a year ago, but my computer's too old. It still even says press F1 to continue. It's so old, so it does look like at first when I turned it on, I thought it was actually Windows 7 because of that thing, and you know that Windows 7 was like that, is like that. And that's about it. But still, it's gonna be loading. Oh wait, well I can stay here for a little while. Okay, well I'm gonna talk about something else. If you guys like my Dr. Donkey Pants episodes, we got 2 new characters. So keep up with that, get updated or whatever. All right, so here's the virus. Just let it load like for about 15 to 20 seconds, and a bunch of shit will pop out. It's like, I'm dead serious. It's like at least 38 viruses or something like that. But look, it's like loading. Alright, check this out. As soon as that hits like about 5 icons, this whole crap is gonna freaking tear off or something like that. So yeah, look, there it is. System 2 warning, intercepting programs that may compromise your privacy. And there you go. It popped out. So there it is. What does it say? It says system tool program. Look, it says warning, you're in danger. And it says remove all spyware from your PC. It says I have a bunch of them, so it's actually right now scanning the viruses I got. But I just wanted to show you that I really don't like this virus. I'm gonna have to tell that guy to like actually put the real Windows phone. I mean, not the Windows phone. What am I talking about? Windows 7, because this is actually. I think it's Windows XP. It might look like Windows Vista somehow, but it's not Windows Vista. It's actually Windows XP. That's my guess. I think because like back then when it had a virus, I had Windows XP, so you probably use a fake Windows 7 or just probably updated Windows XP, like whatever. I really want Windows 7 because I heard it never gets viruses and it goes super fast. So write in the comments below saying that, oh yeah, it's actually pretty good idea that you get Windows 7 or whatever, or Windows Vista. Either or I'm gonna restore this computer because I don't like this. This is so fake. This doesn't even detect my iPod anymore. This computer, so iTunes doesn't detect it. Like iTunes, it doesn't detect it. So I'm like, fuck, whatever, bro. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's done rescanning. So it actually found warning 38 infections found. It says system crash, permanent data loss, system startup failures, system download, internet connection loss, and infecting other computers on your network. Which I'm actually connected with the router that I have here. To my iPod. That's how I could import videos to YouTube because I'm using my iPod. So I'm gonna exit this. Alright, continue unprotected because I'm eventually gonna restore it. So yeah, close that. So let's just read this. Warning: you're in danger. Your computer is infected with spyware. All you do with computer is store forever in your hard disks. When you visit sites, send emails, all your actions are logged. and it's impossible to remove them in standard tools. Your data is still available for in this. Fucking A, bro. How the fuck can I fuck up in the fucking meeting? Forensics or whatever. Okay, and in some cases, for your boss, your friends, your wife, your children. Every site you or someone or even something like spyware open your browsers with all the images and all the downloads and maybe later removed movies or MP3 songs are still there and could break your life. Secure yourself right now. Remove all spyware from your PC. And if you actually zoom in, you could actually see 110110011110000000011110111010101 and so on. So yeah. I don't really want to get it infected some more, so I'm going to turn it off right now. So guys, rate, comment, subscribe, write any comments. What should I do? I'm gonna restore it, but I don't know what version I should update it to, like Vista or 7 or anything like that. So guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.